guys, it's Meredith from Orange Glad Homeschool, and so I'm going to try something new with you guys today. Now, I didn't look it up because when I have ideas, I want to try to keep it original, and I always think that, oh, I made this up, I created this, and so I don't want to look it up first and see if somebody else is already doing it, because then I can't be like, I made that up. So anyways, I make videos on Nothing's Ever Easy that are called Clean With Me. So basically it's exactly what it sounds like. I clean, and you can either clean while you're watching me, or you can just sit and eat your lunch and watch me, and just enjoy the music. You could do whatever you want. You can even work out. So I thought, why not do like a prep with me on my school channel? Okay, so I know it sounds a little weird, and maybe it's not going to be a hit. I have no idea, but it's just something that I wanted to try, and let me know if you like it or you don't. So I'm basically going to be putting together some of our curriculum that I purchased. I'm going to be laminating, hole punching. If you would like to prep your schoolwork while you watch me and listen to the music, please feel free to do so. If you want to grade papers while you have this on, feel free to do so. If you just want to watch, sure, thanks. So hopefully you guys are inspired. I hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and stick around, and hit the notification bell so that you are alerted to when I post a new video. get some quart baggies and you put on that table.
This one?
Over there.
Where?
On the table. Mastered.
Mastered.
So say that they know these already. Those would go in your mastered baggie. And then there is a not learned. So the not learned pile is going to be the ones that are a lot harder, that you're going to learn towards the end of the unit. So that's why you're going to have the mastered, the learning, and the not learned categories that you can do just like that. And just so you don't lose them, I would keep them all in the one baggie. Okay. So now you have all the phonics cards all together, and those are set. Okay, so now I'm going to put together some of the other subjects here. So I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around.